fat on camera. Okay. Hi. This is me. And I'm going to be doing a song for my friend Ashley, who's going through a rough time at the moment. And I need to practice anyway, and I haven't sung in quite a while. Um, I'm really, really out of practice. Like, I'm so out of practice. I suck. But one of her favorite songs is Feed the Birds from Mary Poppins, which is appropriate because I'm going to be going to Disneyland for D23 for my birthday in about 10 days. So, yay, Disney! God, I look so horrible. Oh my God, I look so horrible. And you could see my burn. Crap. Anyway. Yes, and I'm wearing my nice pajamas that I love, and they're comfy and whatever. I look so much like crap. Anyway, this is me being a geek and singing Feed the Birds. Julie Andrews, I am not. I lost my soprano range a long time ago. I'm sorry, Julie, if you ever see this. I'm so sorry for butchering your song. But I am going to be attempting this. I haven't tried it in a really, really long time. So, here goes nothing. Also, shout out to Jeffrey Sherman. Hi. I'm sorry for butchering your dad's song. I suck, and I still love you anyway. Okay, enough of me being a dork. Hi. So, this is for Ashley, and this is Feed the Birds. Let me grab the lyrics over here so I'm not being, totally wrong when it comes to this. Let's see. I thought I had it, but I guess I don't. I don't want to totally butcher the song, so. Okay. Are you ready? Okay, I'm ready. Early each day to the steps of St. Paul's, the little old bird woman comes in her own special way to the people she calls. Come buy my bags full of crumbs. Come feed the little birds, show them you care, and you'll be glad if you do. Their young ones are hungry, their nests are so bare. All it takes is tuppence from you. Feed the birds, tuppence a bag, tuppence, tuppence, tuppence a bag. Feed the birds, that's what she cries, while overhead her birds fill the skies. All around the cathedral, the saints and apostles look down as she sells her wares. Although you can't see them, you know they are smiling each time someone shows that he cares. Though her words are simple and few, listen, listen, she's calling to you. Feed the birds. Oh, crap. I'm going to do that over because that sucked. Though her words are simple and few, listen, listen, she's calling to you. Feed the birds, tuppence a bag, tuppence, tuppence, tuppence a bag. I hope you enjoyed that. I hope I didn't suck too badly, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your weekend. Bye, Ash.